Top 5 countries with the best cuisines. Foodies, get ready to drool. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 countries with the tastiest cuisines in the world. From iconic dishes to fun foodie facts, this is your ultimate passport to flavor-packed destinations. Let's dig in, because the world is delicious. Pizza, pasta, gelato, need we say more? Italy's culinary magic lies in its fresh, simple ingredients and rich history. Did you know pizza was first made in Naples as street food? Italy is proof that the simplest dishes can be the most divine. Welcome to the land of sushi, ramen, and matcha. Japanese cuisine is a perfect harmony of flavor and presentation. Fun fact, sushi dates back to the 8th century as a way to preserve fish. This is food as art, and your taste buds are the canvas. Tacos, tamales, and guac, oh my! Mexican food blends indigenous heritage with Spanish influence for bold, flavorful eats. Did you know mole sauce contains over 20 ingredients? Every bite feels like a culinary celebration. Curries, biryanis, naan, Indian food is a spicy paradise. This cuisine boasts ancient techniques and bold flavors that tantalize the taste buds. Cool fact, India is the world's largest producer of spices. One bite and your mouth dances with vibrant flavors. Thailand's cuisine is the ultimate balance of flavors. Pad Thai and Tom Yum steal the show, but dessert lovers will swoon over mango sticky rice. Unexpected fact, Thai food has regional twists, so flavors vary depending on where you travel. Which country's cuisine has your heart or stomach? Share your foodie favorites in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this global flavor trek. Stay hungry and adventurous, foodies. Your plate of discovery awaits. Enjoy!